So the Manipur discussion was essentially to approve the proclamation of President's rule, and that happened peacefully. That happened without any fundamental disagreement. There was some criticism expressed. The Home Minister replied, the proclamation has been approved. It's a constitutional requirement that within 2 months of the declaration of President's rule, Parliament has to approve it. So it's been done within 2 months. Then we have to keep renewing it every 6 months. Let us hope that peace and normalcy will be restored sooner than that. On the Waqf bill, it was a much more protracted process. It took a very long time, went on till almost 2 o'clock in the morning, with many of the amendments being put to a vote. At the end of the day, the government prevailed by a fairly small majority of about 50 votes. It wasn't, I must say, an easy matter. There were very strong views expressed on all sides of the debate. I myself did not speak in the debate, but I can tell you that that as far as Parliament is concerned, a very thorough airing of all the issues was heard, and that's all that happened today.
So the BJP is saying that LUP already left the house when the Manipur discussion was going on. Yeah. The BJP's Amit Waliwal has tweeted on this that the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha was not present in the meeting.
All I can say is it's 2:30 in the morning. You have to have some understanding that we've all had a very, very long day.
Sir,
thanks very much.
This is coming from America.
Yes.
Trump
tariffs?
has rolled out a 26% return tariff on India, more on China and all the other countries.
26% on everything or on some goods?
On automobiles.
We're not selling many automobiles in America, but automobile parts are a major factor, and that could be affected. And the first victims are going to be the American manufacturers who are buying Indian parts. So that's not very good for us, it's not very good for them, it's not very good for the American consumer. What more can I say? I hope that in the negotiations over the next 9 months, we have time till September, October for a trade agreement, which the Americans have given us time to negotiate. I hope that our negotiators will do a good job of trying to get something better than this.